I don't think any of the musicians can do this. God has called her for this. She's strong. She can even stand for a politician, like a president.
Passing through, so how Poleeno Multimedia. So your sister Akuapem Poolo, she's supporting Afua in all ways. But we have to talk to her so far.
This is my third day.
Oh, third day. So you've been here?
Yeah, I was here yesterday, and last 4 days too. I was here.
Wow. Obaha, since I started saying Obaha, you know about any. Still, almost as energy. No one will me at once.
What are you talking about? She has already killed it. How many more days to go? Looking at the days she has already killed, she's almost done. Nothing good comes easily. I always say that. Yes, it comes with sweat and a lot of pain. But if you're able to endure the pains, and she has endured a lot of pains. No sleep, standing, sitting, it's not easy.
A lot of people are saying it should be our known artists. They should be going in for such a record. But someone who is not a musician taking this risk.
Let me tell you, I don't think any of the musicians can do this.
Wow. Including me. Don't you think
you can't do it? You can't do this. Yes. This is what God has given her. God has called her for this. And she will do it. She has already done it. With God, with Allah, she is good to go.
Wow. Yeah. Are we also expecting Akuapem Poolo also taking a risk like this to also break a record?
You know something? I was thinking it was that easy. Not until tonight. Even standing for just, I think 1 hour, 30 minutes. I'm shaking. My feet. It's not easy. I thought I can twerk for 7 days, but I can't.
You can't twerk for 7 days? I
can't. Small one that I did here.
But with the support here, you can go even further.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
My abdomen. The small twerking I did here is killing.
You're even tired. So far, they are not betting me for 5 days now. If you get the chance to advise her now,
okay, what I'll tell her is nothing good comes easily, as I said earlier on. And with the determination, the vim, the zeal that she got and said, I'm going to do this, she should remember why she started. That will help her finish it. She should not give up. She should just talk to God or Allah while she's doing what she's doing. They're singing. She shouldn't feel like it's my strength. No, without God, without Allah, we cannot do anything. Without Him, we are nothing. So while she's doing it, she should put her trust and everything. She should tell God, please give me the strength. Give me the strength. I know you created me. I know with you I can finish this. We can never run a race without Him. She's done. She's a strong woman.
Yeah, very much.
Yes, and I'm so proud of her.
So after all this, what do you expect Ghana as a country? What do you expect we do for Afua?
See, whatever I was expecting or whatever I expected Ghanaians to do, they've already done it.
Oh, okay.
They've already done it. The support alone for someone to move his or her car to come here. I'm coming all the way from Kasua.
Wow. We came all the way from Kumasi.
Thank you. So you coming here is enough. So they should keep on supporting her, and after she is done, more deals. They should push her. They should push her. They should give her more. This shows that she's strong. She can even stand for a politician, like a president.
Oh, okay.
She's strong.
She can be a president.
She can stand on her feet for Ghana.
Okay.
Yeah, she can fight for Ghana.
Okay.
So now she is taking Ghana all over the world.
Yeah.
She is taking Ghana. So please, everybody, the ministers, the president, they should put their eyes on her. They should give her an appointment. Something great. She has shown Ghana that she is strong and she is determined.
What appointment do you think can be okay for Afua?
Oh, youth. The minister of youth will be okay for her.
Okay.
They should call her.
Okay.
And she can do it.
I know. Yeah. All right. Akuapem Poolo. and Ebedi and Komo Afua Asantewaa Singathon. I said, and you were twerking. People are enjoying your twerk. People are enjoying your twerk. Afua, Poolo, people are enjoying your twerk. You are twerking to entertain them. And if you can keep doing that, because how you slow, okay, person can hear more.
Really?
Yeah.
As I said earlier on, Afua is really strong.
Okay.
The few twerking I did, it has not been easy. I think because I stopped twerking.
Okay.
Because Poolo, I used to twerk 24/7 on social media.
Yeah.
But because I stopped for 1.5 years now, the energy has come low. It's not easy.
And
I'm sweating. You can see that.
Why did you stop twerking?
Oh, you know, now I've grown and my son is growing.
Okay.
And with the religion I've turned into now. So I have to tune down some things. Twerking is not bad. It's part of exercise, and you exercise your waist so that your spark can rotate. You can rotate everything on there, you know. So twerking is never bad. Just that the where Poolo twerk is the problem.
Okay.
Yeah, Poolo can twerk in transparent things, and you see things. So that is why. But if I'm twerking in jeans, I don't think anyone will complain.
Okay. All right. We love you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you for supporting us.
Thank you
You are
too.
welcome to Poleeno Multimedia.
All right.
All right, we are still here. You so fans and celebrities never banana. Ebedi Komo. Yawo Afua Asantewaa Singathon. I say you catch them say and indeed we are here. And if I say the only star ever told no higher Akuapem Poolo. We are here. Now you're trying others and so beba. And if we are about to you kakra, but Oba here no, you say when to me I am more. I'm a doctor, no, and I say management, no, I signed no call backstage. We don't know what is really happening. You name the ABC, no, you enti abanisa, you did this in everybody. You the fresh boy Papa J. How you Poleeno Multimedia.
Therefore, when I said don't climb inside.
Hello, please, we are all going out. Now, please, let's go. You're not part of the media team. Please, let's present. Let's go out. Now, please. Without due respect. Let's go. We are not part of the media team. Let's go out.
Can I have a small word with you? All right, we are the Afua Asantewaa Singathon, and the start